Hi children, a very good morning to all. Welcome back to our school, Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. My name is Asha. I am your English teacher. So we have started the new academic year 2021-22. Okay. So now you are in class 1. So you have to study 4 subjects. English, Malayalam, Hindi and Maths. Okay. So this year, your Vichita ma'am and me, we will handle the subject English. First of all, I wish you a successful academic year just like the last year. Okay children? So your Vichita ma'am has already started English alphabet and the words using alphabets. Your first chapter in the English textbook that you need not study. It's an EVS chapter. So let us begin with our second chapter. Today I am talking chapter 2, A Lovely Sunday Morning. The name of the chapter is A Lovely Sunday Morning. Before starting this lesson, all the children please look at this picture.
Children, do you know what are they doing? They are playing with a ball, running, playing on a slide, playing on a seesaw and playing on a swing.
Children, do you like to play games? When do you like to play games? Yes, maybe on Sundays or holidays. So in this chapter, a boy, his name is Pradeep and his family spent Sunday morning in the garden. Pradeep and his family spent a Sunday morning in the garden. Okay.
Children, please look at this picture. Yes, that is Pradeep's father and brother Rajesh. They are playing cricket in the garden. So this is Pradeep's father and brother Rajesh. They are playing cricket in the garden. Children, who is drawing a picture there? Yes, that is Pradeep's sister Neena. She is drawing a picture. That is Pradeep's sister Neena. She is drawing a picture. Okay, so my dear children, Pradeep's father and his brother Rajesh are playing cricket in the garden. So the words are playing, cricket and garden. And his sister Neena, she is drawing a picture. The words are drawing and picture. Look at this picture. Who is sitting under a tree? Yes, that is Pradeep's mother. What is she doing? Yes, she is reading a book. Pradeep's mother is reading a book. Reading spelling R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Next, his grandfather sits in a big chair. Is he reading a newspaper? No, he is not. He is sleeping. The grandfather is sleeping. The words are sleeping and newspaper. And the next is Ginger. Who is Ginger? There is Ginger in the picture. Ginger is Pradeep's cat. Ginger is chasing a butterfly. Ginger is chasing a butterfly. What do you mean by chasing? Chasing means running after a butterfly. What do you mean by chasing, children? Yes, running after a butterfly. Chasing spelling C-H-A-S-I-N-G. Chasing. Butterfly spelling B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. So children, from this lesson, today we learned some words. They are playing, cricket, garden, drawing, reading, book, sleeping, newspaper, chasing and butterfly. Once more, playing, cricket, garden, drawing, reading, book, sleeping, newspaper, chasing and butterfly. What is the spelling of playing? Yes, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. Cricket spelling C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. Garden, G-A-R-D-E-N, garden. Drawing, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. Reading, R-E-A-D-I-N-G, reading. Book spelling, B-O-O-K, book. What's the spelling of sleeping? Yes, S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G, sleeping. Newspaper, N-E-W-S-P-A-P-E-R, newspaper. The next is chasing, C-H-A-S-I-N-G, chasing. Butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y, butterfly.
So children, in this lesson, where is our Pradeep? Yes, Pradeep tells us about his happy family. Pradeep tells us about his happy family. Pradeep's father and his brother Rajesh, they are playing cricket in the garden. Pradeep's father and his brother Rajesh, they are playing cricket in the garden. And what about his mother? Yes, mother is reading a book. She is sitting under a tree and reading a book. And his sister Nina, she is drawing a beautiful picture. His sister Nina, she is drawing a beautiful picture. And what about our grandfather? Is he reading the newspaper? No, he is sleeping. And their cat Ginger is chasing a butterfly. Ginger is chasing a butterfly. What do you mean by chasing? Yes, running after a butterfly. So children, I hope you have understood the lesson. You understood the story. Okay, so we must take care of everyone. We must try to make everyone around us happy. I hope you have understood the story. So children, you should copy down the words and write and study their spellings in your rough book. So we can meet in the next classroom. Till then, take care. Bye.